Hello everyone, my name is Zernitsa and I'm your Y class instructor. In today's video, we're going to talk about business ideas for your classified website. We already talked about what is a classified website and gave an example of successful classified websites around the digital world. So why starting a business online? Before sharing the great business ideas with you, I would like to tell you more about the reasons behind actually starting an online business. On one hand, people often accuse technology of putting the end of traditional businesses the way they were. On the other hand, today, due to the same advanced technologies, many businesses had rapidly increased their profits, many people have been employed, and new opportunities have arisen on the horizon. Starting an online business is easier than ever nowadays. You can use great platforms like Y-Class to build your online empire. The best thing is that you can do it anywhere you like. For example, I really enjoy traveling during the summer, and thanks to my job, I can actually afford to do what I love. I can travel while working without losing any customers or any potential projects. With that in mind, let's review some of the most creative and profile business ideas for your new startup classified website. Firstly, I would like to mention that according to me, when it comes down to achieving your business goals, it's really important, but believe me, it is really important to focus and concentrate on what you really enjoy to do. And at the same time, you definitely have to make sure that your expectations aren't too high. Try not to pressure yourself too much as it might reflect your performance. So the first business idea is classifieds for automobile. An easy startup idea is to try out the niche of automobile classifieds. The market is really demanding for this type of products, and maybe you can concentrate on the idea of rental cars. In fact, there are a lot of opportunities, and whatever you decide, the automobile ideas are going to be very profitable business. As stated by the automobile buyers themselves, more than 80% of them research online before deciding on buying an automobile product or service. The truth is that the automobile industry is pretty big, and there is a lot to consider before jumping into it. It involves a lot of auto products like car parts and a variety of services, including car hires. The process of listing the automobile parts or services, along with a buy and sell feature in a classified website, will generate more traffic for your website. Isn't that what you'll be aiming for? Remember, the simpler your website looks like, and here I don't refer only to website design, but to the features as well, the easier it will be for its users to understand and work with. Now, make sure you understand the business model of a car marketplace before jumping into this. Lastly, an automobile classified website which serves the users with native mobile apps will draw in more revenue, so why not taking advantage of this? Classified websites for jobs. Perhaps jobs are one of the endless searching industries. There is always a place for a classified job searching website as the target audience here is basically indefinite. To create a successful job board business from scratch is not an easy task though. That is why you have to do your homework before starting. Choose carefully if you're going to build your classified website as a general job site, job aggregator, or job board. The world of digital technology grows rapidly, and it's time now to leverage the same in the recruiting industry. This could help many people to find jobs, and this kind of website will actually be of use to a lot of people. The opportunities for starting a job listing website using a classified script are commonly a practice of a listing website. Frankly, it wouldn't be a hassle to turn a classified script into a job listing website, and that's why a lot of entrepreneurs are using this as a strategy. In this course, we're going to learn how you can create, manage, and maintain a classified website on your own without any coding knowledge. The third idea is classified for real estate. Perhaps your passions are tightly connected to selling or renting houses, purchasing properties, and buying land. If this is the case, then you have to start a real estate classified website. Using a best classified script, you will easily launch any kind of real estate business. For example, land, residential, commercial, or industrial real estate business. The Grandview research reveals that by the year of 2025, the real estate market size will be worth 4.263 billion, even though the online real estate is at its peak right now. Have you heard of Open Real Estate CMS? When working with sellers to determine the listing price or buyers to check the value before the offer to purchase, real estate agents do what is known as comparative market analysis or CMA. You have to check a free script for real estate agencies. Now, let's go to the next idea, which is classifieds for pets. Well, obviously, if you're into animals, you would probably find this idea more appealing than the other ones. A classified website for pets would definitely include puppies, kittens, or all kinds of adorable creatures, but also pet products like toys, fur products, pet food and collars, leashes, beds, clothes, services like pet walking, pet training, pet care if you want. You can include any type of animal care that you want. You have to be very creative and enthusiastic when it comes to pet classified website. Even if it sounds just like the right idea, consider the fact that this is not easy to run a classified website for pets or animals because it might turn out harder than what you expect. As I mentioned, you have to be very creative and artistic. And lastly, when launching an online pet classified website, you should combine the shelters and rescues from different locations for the client sees to find pets. The next idea is classifieds for auction. Many will recommend starting a classified website for auction. Now, this is definitely not at the top of my list, but auctions might turn into a profitable business, so I must mention this idea. It might actually be a great opportunity if you use the right strategies. While classified businesses are simply made of listing and displaying ads for potential people, the main idea of auction business is showcasing products included with algorithms to limit the listing duration and bid them. These two business models are quite different methods and strategies. Have that in mind if you choose to build a classified website for auction, and you will definitely need someone to take care of the bidding algorithms. The next idea is all-in-one classifieds. We already talked about Craigslist, and yet Craigslist is a great example of an all-in-one classified website. In other words, this is a classified website that combines all of the above listed categories under a single website. Keep in mind that it will take a lot of effort and devotion to make a complete classified website or an all-in-one classified. On the plus side, your target market and target audience are much wider. An all-in-one classified website will earn visitors who search for a variety of products and services. These were some of the top ideas for starting your own classified empire. I hope this video helped you with some useful ideas and examples. In the next video, we're going to talk about the evolution of classifieds and the most successful classified websites.